Hey there, conference goers! Welcome to the 2026 Franchise Growth and Marketing Conference. It's gonna be a blast, but first things first, let's supercharge your experience with our all-access conference mobile app. Head to your app store and search for Bizzabo. Once you're in the app, you'll be directed to the event space login. Here, you will be asked to create or enter your password in order to gain access to the space. Remember, you must use the same email address you registered for the conference with. And boom, you're in. You now have easy access to the agenda, speakers, sponsors, and community, all at your fingertips. Select the Agenda tab to set your own personal schedule with just one tap. Once you find a session that interests you, heart it and it will be added to your calendar. Looking forward to a specific speaker? Select the Speakers tab and scroll through the list to learn more about them and the sessions they're participating in. Ready to network? Check out who's attending by tapping the Community tab. Here, you can search for attendees using keywords. Ready to make connections? Give a friendly hi with a single tap or start a private chat by hitting the Chat button. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to have a blast at the conference. It's all happening in the palm of your hand. Let's make this conference unforgettable. Download now.